Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today we're going to take a look at a trade-in that just came in. This is a 2022 Sea Ray SPX 190. Looking at the exterior here, we have the black hull side and white hull bottom. This does come with a galvanized trailer shown here. We have a sports tower and bimini top up there as well. And then taking a look at the swim platform here, we have our sea deck, boarding ladder to get in and out of the boat, and this does have a 4.5 liter Mercruiser 200 horsepower engine. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. You can see right now we have a nice port entryway inside the boat. Underneath that hatch is going to be your on and off battery switch. Right here underneath the sun pad, you can see that we have the engine and then also a spot over there for storage. This does have a two-piece bow and cockpit cover that you can snap in to keep everything nice and clean on the boat. More storage underneath this cushion, and then also a built-in cooler right here. Making our way into the cockpit of the boat, we have our in-floor storage, and then our two bucket seats, captain and co-captain, with flip-up bolsters. Here at the helm, we have our tilt steering wheel, Fusion audio system, so it's going to be really good, actually upgraded sound quality on this boat with a subwoofer. And you can see the blue LED lights that are on around the boat. And this is a 2022. This boat only has 15 engine hours on it, so it's basically brand new. Up here we have our Simrad with all of our engine diagnostics, chart plotting, navigation. Everything's going to be very accessible here at the helm. And then we're making our way towards the bow. We have more storage underneath here. Recessed glove box. When you're sitting down on this boat, really good ergonomics. You're going to be able to have great visibility when you're driving it on the water. And then at the bow filler cushion. This boat's loaded up. It's here at our store in Rogers. Give us a call or come on by. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.